Effective AGV and AMR operation is about much more than moving vehicles from A to B. For example, how will missions be created and managed? How will vehicles interface with your other on-site equipment and software? What about charging their batteries, monitoring their operations in real time, and dealing with traffic? For all this and more, there is ANTserver, Bluebotic's powerful mission and fleet management software. ANTserver is the brain of your mobile robot operation. Whether you're starting with a single robot or running a full fleet, designed to manage any vehicle built on Bluebotic's ANT navigation technology, ANTserver is how you put your AGVs and AMRs to work. Working off the sitemap and routes created in Bluebotic's ANT Lab configuration software, ANTserver dispatches missions to whichever robot is the most efficient choice, which includes making sure the vehicle can fit in the space available and carry the payload requested. Operators can request missions through your existing business software using ANTserver's API. Missions can also be called by an input from any type of PLC that supports OPC UA or Modbus communication, for example, when a sensor detects a pallet or at the push of a button. Missions can be visualized in real time using ANTserver's intuitive web interface, ANTmonitor. This is also useful when testing new installations. And when there's more than one vehicle in operation, that's when ANTserver's advanced fleet functionality comes into play. ANTserver's intelligent traffic management ensures intersections are never blocked, working on a first-come, first-served basis. This deadlock-free traffic control is fully automatic by default, but it can also be further configured to suit your organization's specific needs. ANTserver can communicate with your on-site equipment, such as conveyors, elevators, automatic doors, and more, by managing the flow of requests and responses between your vehicle and an external device's PLC. And to help you and your integrator assess and optimize how your installation is performing, ANTserver includes full statistics and reporting. How can you ensure your AGV or AMR installation runs seamlessly from day one? That's where ANTserver's sophisticated simulation tool comes in. Using the digital twin created in ANT Lab, ANTserver's simulator allows your integrator to run and test your project using virtual vehicles first. This can help your integrator to accurately plan how many vehicles you will need. Plus, they can test and optimize with you numerous other parameters, such as the number of missions required, the optimal charging strategy, the most efficient vehicle speeds, traffic management, as well as stress testing any software integrations that have been programmed. As your fleet grows over time, ANTserver is powerful enough to manage fleets of hundreds of vehicles and thousands of pick-drop positions. And in the future, if you need vehicles your existing AGV supplier doesn't produce, you can also integrate other ANTdriven brands of vehicle into your existing fleet. In fact, thanks to ANT's full compatibility with the VDA 5050 Fleet Management Standard, you can even add non-ANT-driven robots, allowing you to automate virtually any transport process, no matter what the requirements. So, whether you are looking to manage a single vehicle or an entire fleet, ANTserver includes all the functionality you need to create and run the mobile robot operation your business demands. ANTserver, putting mobile robots to work.